So I ordered for a smart glass from China online, and the good thing is that the package just landed. So I'll take you on a ride. Let's unbox it and see what is inside, because I actually got it for a very cheap price. This is not my first time ordering from China. Of course, if you are familiar with my YouTube channel, or if you've been with me for a while, you'll discover that I've ordered lots of stuff. So I just got this. I'll be opening it right here. As you can see, it's still all sealed. I'll be opening it right here. Let's see what's inside, and let's ascertain and come to a conclusion if it was the price, because like I said, it's very cheap naira. It got shipped from China down to Nigeria, and of course this is my package. So let's open it and see what's inside. And the funny part is that the main reason why I got this smart glass is for me to be doing, what do they call it, over the shoulder unboxing, so that it could be clear. At the moment I'm still holding this with my hand, so that's one reason why I bought the smart glass, because it has a video capability which I can just use and video unboxing over my shoulder. So I will have to rip this off. Let me rip this off, and of course we'll get back and see what's inside. I'm using one hand of mine holding the camera, so you can see how difficult it is. Let's rip it off. I'll show you the carton. So after ripping off the package, this that covers, this is what I see inside the carton. I think it should be a nice glass. Looking at it's all around sealed. I think it's sealed, so I'm surprised why they actually sold it for that price to me. Well, now I'll have to still tear this nylon. Let's see what is inside. Now I've turned off this, and this is what we found inside. Just like we see, like I say, it's all around sealed. Oh, sorry, let me position my camera very well so that we'll see the exact thing, if it's worth the money. So if I do this, I wouldn't be struggling with my over the shoulder unboxing video. Pardon me guys. Oh, let me not damage this. Okay, I finally pulled this off, and in doing that I have to use my both times. So like I said, pardon me. What's this? I think it's like a wipe to clean the lens. And what's this? Normally should be a USB, let's say it's a cable actually. A USB Type-C cable. It actually comes with two cables. I'll know the reason why later, after going through. Let's see what else. Manual, smart glass, user manual. I'll read this later. Then what else? I think it's the glass itself. What's this? QR code. Let me not display this because I don't really know. I might need them. Okay, let me see. User guide. QR code. I think I will have to. I'll keep them later. Maybe from the look of things, it seems I'll have to. Okay, yes, I properly note. It's used for downloading app. Yes, smart eye scan. Okay, scan code to download the app. Okay, no problem. Let me see the second one. Was this also? Okay, it's the same. Fine. I'll download the app, and voila, this is the glass itself. It's hold on, I think. Okay, it seems it makes use of an app. Sorry, let me zoom. Let me shift a little bit backwards so that. Okay, from the video, seems this is where the camera is. Let me see. But the thing is that I wouldn't be giving a full review of this glass in this video. I'll have to use it for a while. Then after using it for a while, of course, I'll drop another video showing the full review. According to the adverts, what they wrote on the side before I purchased it, they say it is a 4K. It shoots in 4K, but I really doubt. Highest I think it will be 1080p. But if it shoots in 4K, I think is an added advantage. I have to make use of this glass, and I'll put a proper video showing you what's all about. So in order for you to get notified, I think you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification in case I put up my next video. I don't want to introduce my name or say my name in this video. You can easily go ahead. My other videos on this YouTube channel, you know my name. I don't want to introduce myself. This I just want to tell you guys that I just got a new smart glass, and I'll test it out. So when I'm testing it out, that's where you hear my proper introduction. So for now, just hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, you get notified, and you get full. We also talk about the price I purchased this smart glass. definitely you will agree with me that it's really cheap. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. We'll see my next video. It's a technology related channel, and yes, you see lots and lots video related to technology, so be part of this channel. So but before we go, let me show you how it looks on me. How do you see it, guys? Okay, like I said, hit the subscribe button. You see more reviews about this cheap smart glass, and I think definitely you want to get one. So we'll see you on my next video, or watch other videos before you leave. Ciao and bye bye for now.